Is now.
So basically, we have work duty. We're taking care of this house here, and one of the jobs that I have is sharpening the machetes. This is the first time I'm attempting to sharpen a machete on this thing. I'm terrified. It's gonna be awesome. How am I even supposed to?
Oh, here. I know how.
You know how? You want to try it?
I believe I know how.
Alright, it's still filming?
Yeah.
Alright. Glasses on. Woohoo!
Lord, save us all.
You gotta do the one closest to me.
So I believe it's something like...
Ah!
Something like that.
Woo!
May want to be wearing gloves for this.